Knee pain bothering you, especially in cold weather. Before taking painkillers, try this simple traditional ginger remedy. Take a fresh piece of ginger, crush the ginger finely. Dry roast the ginger until it's hot. Put it into a clean face mask. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. It's great to see your support. Fold it carefully. Then, apply it directly to the painful area. The warmth from the ginger, combined with its natural compounds, helps improve blood circulation, reduce discomfort, and make your knee feel much better. Relax, and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Repeat this once a day, especially before bedtime. Simple, natural, and easy to follow. How do you usually store superglue? Just keeping it in a cool, dry place is not enough. After some time, the glue still dries out and becomes useless. Instead, try storing it in the refrigerator. The low temperature helps slow down the drying process, keeps the glue in good condition, and allows you to use it much longer. Are your scissors getting dull? There are many ways to sharpen them. But the fastest way is to use this simple trick. Let me know where you're from. I'd love to connect with people from all around the world. If super strong glue gets stuck on your skin, what would you do? If you try to pull it off forcefully, it can tear your skin and cause bleeding. So try this simple little trick instead. Put a small amount of cooking oil on your fingertips. Then gently rub them together. The oil will seep in. Break down the glue's chemical bond. And allow your fingers to separate naturally. Easy, right? Share this simple tip with your family and friends so they can know it too. In winter, don't hang hooded clothes like this. The area where the hood touches the jacket takes a very long time to dry, and over time it can develop a bad smell. So instead, use an extra hanger. Lift the hood up, then stack the hangers together. This creates better airflow, helps the hood dry much faster, and keeps your clothes fresh and odor-free. Simple, right? Every time you sweep the floor, hair gets stuck in the broom, and it's really hard to remove. Small dust particles get swept from one place to another, and the floor never feels truly clean. Now, all you need is a roll of tape. Stick it on the broom, like this. After sweeping, hair and dust will stick directly to the tape. Cleanly and effortlessly. Follow me for more simple and useful life hacks. Every time you cut an onion, your tears start falling like rain, right? Before you step into the kitchen, try this simple trick. Take a glass of clean water, take a sip, and hold the water in your mouth. Then cut the onion as usual. The moisture helps reduce the onion's strong fumes, making cooking much easier and more comfortable. Simple, but helpful. If your knives or scissors are rusty, don't throw them away just yet. Simply take a slice of onion, and gently rub it onto the rusty spots. Onions contain sulfuric acid. When it reacts with the rust, which is iron oxide, the two substances meet and begin to dissolve almost instantly. As you rub, the rust disappears, and your knife or scissors become shiny and clean again. No need to buy new ones. Simple, effective, and money-saving. Do you want to make your breakfast more lively and heartwarming? Instead of the usual ordinary slices of bread, turn them into a breakfast filled with love. All it takes is 2 simple ways, quick and easy. Method 1. Take a square slice of sandwich bread. Cut it in half diagonally. Gently bend the cut edges to form a heart shape, just like in the video. Press it down lightly to help it hold its shape. Next, dip the bread into well-beaten eggs. Fry until golden on both sides. And in just a few minutes, you'll have a delicious slice of bread. Method 2, even simpler. All you need is a spoon. Use the spoon to gently press onto the slice of bread. Just 2 presses, and you'll have a small, cute heart shape, like this. Now, simply spread your favorite jam default text on top. And that's it. Simple, sweet, and full of love.